Now we're going to set up on the Journeyman, we're going to sharpen the end. We're going to do it using the kind of the traditional Cutter Master way of doing it. We don't normally support that with resin wheels because you have a tendency to round the corner off the wheel. But in this case, we're using a plated bond wheel, so the corner will always stay sharp. To begin with, we'll just move the motor away a little bit. Lock it in place, we'll bring it down to 0. When you're at 0, with a 5-inch wheel, it gives you about a 7-degree primary angle. So you want the motor straight. At the beginning you want the motor set to level. As long as you're about straight is fine because the wheel has a taper on it. You're just cutting with the corner. So now we're going to remove the tool rest, and we're going to set the collars. We're going to bring this up till it rests. We're going to set the tool so it's horizontal. This is a 2-flute tool. Set the indexing collar to 2 flutes. And then we're going to lock it in place. Now we can bring our motor in a little bit. Get it about to where we want it. Back this up. And we're just going to grind across to the center. Now the best way to find the center is to bring your wheel in until it touches the tool. And then if you have our tool rest, so you can back this away and then put the dial indicator on there. And now you want to go into 490, which would be center. This wheel was 980, or this tool was 980. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 90. So now you're at the exact center of the tool when the wheel is vertical. So take this off, set your travel stop. Now when you come across, you'll stop in the center every time. You don't have to worry about coming past and ruining your end. So make sure that's good and tight. Remember, that's only good if the wheel is straight up and down, which we'll be tipping in a minute, so you'll see. So now we're going to move this away. You want the wheel rotating down into the part. Now we're going to adjust the tool spindle to 2 degrees to provide the dish in the end of the end mill, which means we're probably going to lose our center. So let's just set that again. Listen up. Okay, so come into your wheel. And in a little bit. So here I just want to come over to center a little more, so I begin. Lock my stop. And once again, we have a diamond wheel in this case, but we're running at a fairly low RPM. So there's not a lot of heat generated. So there's your primary. Now to do a secondary, we're just going to lower the motor down. To get an angle that looks good. Bring the wheel in. other side and finish the tool off. You don't have to worry about going past center when the wheel's up like this, because there's an arc and it doesn't touch down on the primary. So, and that's it.